Hello there, this is the Thunderbolt version of the Anglia project, Thunderbolt being P47, part 47. This is January 7th, 2025. I'm at Lou's and we're going to talk about glass. Okay, Lou, let's show what happens when you raise the window. Alright, so that worked. Alright, lower it back. Okay. Stop it right there. What Lou had to do was he had to make extender brackets. That's these things here, 6.5 inches long, so that the travel of the motor would raise the window up. It was shy about 3 inches or so, wouldn't go all the way up. And the alternative was to try to raise the motor. However, if you see that line right there, let me show you what that line is. That's this guy. The spacing, the depth spacing inside the door gets smaller as you go higher. So the motor has to stay where it's at. And what Lou did was he made extender brackets, as I've said. And we're just testing this now, and it looks like maybe those brackets are a little bit shy at 6.5, so we're going to make new brackets at 7.5 to make sure that there's enough push when the window goes up. So both sides
are the same.
Both sides are the same. Glass is in.
Yeah.
And speaking about glass, look, rear quarter glass is in. Rear glass is in, and the driver's side glass is in. So, not too shabby. Did you order a mirror?
Yeah, I ordered a rear view mirror.
Did you
I
order
ordered seat belts.
Okay.
And let's see, I ordered a fuel pump, a new ignition switch, which will give me the auxiliary.
Oh yeah, you don't have an auxiliary.
I don't have an auxiliary in this one.
Okay, so we're gonna make a.
Makes it a lot easier.
Yeah. Okay.
And the best thing of all, no plate.
Oh, great, great.
The only plate that right there, that's the gearbox.
Oh, that's.
But as far as
that's well within.
Yeah.
Spec.
Yeah.
I think 1/2 inch was allowable.
Oh man, I mean they had, so much play before, it was unbelievable.
Yeah, I can see the wheel moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. We got the rubber mounts for the existing fuel pump, and they didn't help.
No.
That pump is a Holley.
Holley.
It's a Holley, and they are known to be very noisy. I guess if you got a AA fuel dragster, you don't hear the pump.
Yeah, you don't worry about it.
For all the other noise, right? All right, so let's see. This would be, again, part 47, segment 1. And it is fucking cold out there.
Oh, man, it's going to be cold.
Yeah.
Might get some snow tomorrow.
Yeah, we're talking possibly 3 to 12 inches of snow tomorrow. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. So what else? Oh, yeah, what we haven't talked about was we ordered a piece of aluminum, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh. There's a piece of aluminum that's been ordered that we're going to roll that son of a bitch in a compound curve, and we're going to make a hood. Right?
Yep.
And the way you do that is you put a pad on the table, you make a template to get the flat shape that you want when it's rolled. You mark center lines and lines on it for the varying radius as it goes across. And then you put padding on the table.
You can do it on the floor easier because you're going to try to pick up one of them bottles. Forget it. Do it on the floor.
And then You lay a gas bottle on top of it to hold its shape, and you start to manually pull it around and bend it to fit the hood. Sounds
so
easy.
One thing we got that'll help us here too, because we already got a hood, so it's pretty well.
Oh, use this for.
Yeah, we already got the radiuses right there.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the I should do is cut these off. And
Oh yeah. Come on.
good, you know that? And screw with this and see how it looks.
Oh, okay. Okay. I just realized
It's
that.
just a skoshie longer, so it had to be trimmed here.
Yeah, that was oversized. So
Yeah, this wall, according to that, when an actual hood is made, this is a 1/2 inch. The distance is a 1/2 inch. An original hood, I think he said it was 39 inches. Let's see, what is it? No, 33 inches is an actual hood. And this sucker here is 32.5.
Huh.
It's a 1/2 inch off.
you know
That's why I couldn't get an original hood.
that reminds me, the 32 Ford hood. You know how the two top halves are joined with the stainless steel
right.
piece? It measures exactly 32 inches.
Yeah.
So yeah, the 32 Ford hood from
Yeah.
cowl to grill shell is 32 inches. So I guess commonality, coincidence,
Yeah,
perhaps, right?
32 would fit in there.
Ford, yeah.
Yeah, because he was telling me the hinge part to go, the straight piece that goes in the center is 33 inches.
Yeah.
So this is a 1/4 inch off.
All right.
Let's see what this is. Okay, this is 30,
Oh, 30,
32 1/4.
I think it's more than a 33.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost 33 and a half.
So
Yeah, so what, we'd cut right here,
yeah, cut right along that seam.
seam here, leave this
Yeah.
as a part of the hood, and then trim this
Yeah.
piece to fit. Yeah, that's a good
I
thing.
mean, it's just sitting there not doing nothing. Might as well
Yeah,
screw
yeah.
with it.
Yeah, maybe that'll work. Huh. Oh, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. We've covered hoods. We've covered ignition switch coming with a.
Fuel plug coming.
Oh, did you order the suction cup mirror, or did you order the adhesive one
What?
on the rearview mirror?
Suction cup.
Good. I was afraid.
Yeah,
You know, in the past, I've used that adhesive stuff.
Yeah. I
And in the
guess
hot
that could
sun-
have to go right here.
Yeah, in the hot.
I don't know. Maybe no. I'll have to go right in here.
Yeah. You don't want it too high.
Yeah.
It has to be low.
Because the mirror's going to sit right about there.
Yeah. Yeah. In the past,
Unless I
I've
put it
used.
up here.
I've used the adhesive stuff, and I've had trouble with the adhesive staying solid. Like the hot sun will cause it to remelt and it'll fall off, so that's good. All right, so ignition switch, hood stuff, I guess we're about there. You're gonna make brackets. Anyway, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to an end. I'll catch you all later. Take care. Oh yeah, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, get your winter clothes out and
Amen.
stay home.
Where you long, Johns?
All right, take care, everybody. Bye-bye. That's goodbye. I'm not goodbye. Oh.